Hey everybody, it's been a while since I did a video, so got something a little bit different here to show you. I'm going to do some line boring on it's an excavator thumb, they call it. It's a hydraulic thumb. Anyway, we got to line bore these 4 holes out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'll make bushings and put back inside there. And these are actually longer. They come out to about there, and then there's a hole going there that holds the pin in place. But I thought this might be a good little demonstration of line boring. I think that shaft is about 2 inch, and the cutter is 5/8. It's actually going to work out really nice because I've already done this. This hole's done. You can see right there I have a cutter hole. And the second one, there's my cutter hole. The third one, there's my cutter hole. And the fourth one is right there. So it's going to work out pretty slick. So let's see if we can do some boring action, huh? Running about 120 RPMs. I think it's about 4,000 feed rate per rev. It looks like it started cutting, so let's go watch. Probably in there 3/8 of an inch so far. It takes it a little while. I haven't timed it, to see how long it takes actually to go through a hole. The plates are 1.25 inches thick. I think the holes would have started out at 2.5 inches, and I'm boring them out to 3, and then I'll push them back down to 2.5. These are some bushings I made. There's brass bushings on the inside of these, so I had to make all these myself because it didn't come with the machine. But I have a grease zerk here so I can pump oil into them. There's one here and one on that side. So it's probably about 8 inches of bushing in there. feeding the table, not the spindle out. Feeding the table in, not the spindle out. Looks like we're just about getting close to coming through here. Looks like we're through that one. Alright, so now I get to clean the chips off and reset the cutter and do it again. Well, I got all my holes bored out where I want them to now, and now we have to put a bevel for welding them in. I don't know if you can see in there or not, but anyway, we're going to fire the machine up and put a bevel on here. There's the cutter. So we're going to show you some of that action now. That's how I bevel it. And when you're done, it looks like so. So it's a good area for a weld. Now I'll have to take the cutter out and we'll move over to this side and I'll do that one. So thought I'd show you how I do that. So I thought I'd show you a little more about the bushings I made to hold the boring bars in my horizontal boring mill. When I got the mill, I did not get these bushings. I got the boring bars, but there was no bushings, so I had to come up with an idea of my own. And this is what I did. I believe I started with a 4-inch shaft. And they're like about 4 inches long, so I had to turn that all down so that this fits into the boring mill. And then I have a couple different size boring bars, so then I had to bore them out and I installed brass bushings in them. And then to get oil there, I drilled a hole here, and that goes down to a hole that's there. So I drilled this hole in this way, then I drilled it this way all the way through. So when this is in the housing on the boring mill, well, this hole is covered up for the most part, and then the oil just goes down in between, and I have a slight groove around there for oil to pocket in, and that's how I oil that. And I also knurled this one edge. So I just thought I'd show you that. Alright, so I got my holes bored out on the boring machine, as you already saw, and then I made the bushings that go back in it. Kind of did them off camera because it's, well, anyway, so the bushings are all in. See these two inside ones? They had to be longer so I could get a bolt hole in here. But there's a look at all the pins or the bushings through there, and I've been welded them in, and I ground them off, and then I had to make a couple pins to go along with everything. So I had to drill me a hole through there, and then that goes through there. So I think I'm going to put you up on a tripod now, and we're going to put these pins in so I can show you how they fit. Alright, so you're up on a tripod, and we're going to now try to see if one of these pins fit in here. These are like 2.5 inch stress proof, and they're just about 12 inches long. I think they're 11 inches, but there's one pin, and the whole wall lines up. Now I think we'll go over here and do this other pin for you. Yep, and both holes all line up. I don't know if we can see down in there, but probably can't see that, but the holes do line up. Anyway, I wanted to thank everybody for watching this video. Please like, share, and comment if you would, please. And I think there's going to be some more of this work coming up also. So once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.